I don't know. Time has passed, and I believe in keeping something for yourself and not spoon feeding your audience. So you can see that in the music. It's not very literal. So I guess the boys and I like mystery and keeping things vague. But there comes a time when that I think works against you. So nagkakaroon ng misconceptions and urban legends, if you know what I mean, and myths regarding the band, which doesn't necessarily is not necessarily good for the band or the music. And so this time we chose a different tact and decided na I think this is it's high time that, like what Diane said, it's to reclaim our narrative.
That's awesome. So